Looking to do something fun and easy for the holidays? Using Cat Eye, I was able to make this kind of crystallized look. Check out this video and I'll show you how easy it was to do.
I'm going to start things off with applying 2 coats of this beautiful blue pearl, curing each coat for 30 seconds, and then I'll grab this cat eye along with my detailing brush, and I'm just going to draw little triangles, magnetize them, and cure them. I'm doing about 2 triangles at a time. I find that if I do 3 or 4 triangles at a time, the magnet kind of gets in the way. So I place the triangles at the opposite ends of each other, making it easier to magnetize them. And I pretty much just fill up this entire nail with these blue cat eye triangles. A little pro tip on making the triangles is placing majority of your product in the center and dragging out to the points, and keeping your brush about a 45 degree and loosening up on the amount of pressure you apply as you get to the points of the triangle. Now I'm going to finish things off by applying the new Gelish Extra Shine top coat and curing that for 30 seconds. And with this top coat, you do need to wipe the surface after curing, so I'm going to wipe it with Nail Surface Cleanse. Taking a closer look at this nail, you'll see this violet purplish hue in different lighting, giving it much more depth.